If you're a developer and you work with VS Code, you need to sync all your extension, your project settings, and so many of these things, sync them across your devices in case you are changing device. So you need to turn that on in this one setting. To turn that on, I'm going to show you right in this video.
So once you get to your VS Code, what you want to do, you make sure you turn on these settings by clicking. You can access this by using Control comma key on your keyboard. So once it opens up, you want to ensure whatever settings you have here, you sync it across your devices. Okay, you could just take a look at what we have. You could see auto delay is on, auto save is on, and some other few settings. Word wrap is on, and a few you could just customize and add your settings. Then you want to back them up and seek those settings. Okay, so that way you are working across devices, you can use those settings. So you could tick anyone that applies here. Okay, you could change, remove, untick and remove what you don't want to sync. All right, profile, extensions, UI, MCP servers, tax snippet, and a whole lot of stuff. So once you decide what to sync and what not to sync, then you could sign in, and we ask you, do you want to use Microsoft or GitHub to sign in? So prefer GitHub. So just click on it, and it's going to want to sign you in. Basically, that is how it works. Once your account is connected, that is going to sync, and no matter what device you're using, is going to be the same settings across all those devices. So once it sets up, you can start, just link up your GitHub, and whatever devices you're using is going to sync with that.